Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Noru Baika short riding shoes. Starting to feel like a broken record with this, but Noru. That's a new brand to our industry. Where did it come from? That came from one of our premier distribution partners, Helmet House, who has a lot of previous experience with other house brands I'm sure you've heard of, which would be Core-Tec and Tourmaster. Each one of those brands has earned an excellent reputation over many seasons of riding. With Noru, what Helmet House wanted to do is create a line of street riding apparel that had unrivaled value while still having solid features, benefits, protection, and quality. When you hear the price point on these Baika shoes, it is going to blow your mind. The retail price on these is $99. The retail price. You'll see these sold for as low as $49.99. I understand there will be some fluctuation in pricing throughout the year, right? They're going to have sale periods and then kind of different sale periods, right? But at the end of the day, the lowest you'll see is $49.99. Sizing. I wear a size 12 US in most common shoes out there. These are 12 US and they fit and felt excellent. Kind of shocking, actually, considering that $49 price point. Who are these right for? These are right for a street rider looking for a short, protective riding shoe that offers a lot of comfort. Features and benefits. We have reinforcement here in the toe box. We have reinforcement back here in the heel. On the outer portion of the boot, there is going to be a little disc in there to protect the ankle externally from impact and abrasion, right? Lots of padding on the inside. You don't have the same cup. Entry and exit are going to be done with laces, and then you have this kind of leather and Velcro strap to really ensure that they're on nice and securely. Shifter pad, it's on both boots to maintain symmetry. The sole, crush proof, side to side, front and rear. We have a reflective patch here on the back of the boot. At the end of the day, it's important that you understand what this is really entry-level, super affordable gear. You know, you can look at a product picture sometimes and think, wow, that looks pretty close to an Alpine Stars. What I don't want to do is I don't want to lead anyone down that road where, yeah, this is just as good. Having handled a lot of products over many, many years, reviewed a lot of things, ridden a lot of things, my impression of this, without having ridden in it, right, no one's really ridden this yet, this is brand new to the industry, okay, is that this gets you really close to that, right? Do you get more for your money if you spend 3 times what you spent? Yes, the answer to that is yes. You buy a $150 pair of boots, you're getting more boot. You spend $200 plus, you are for sure getting more boot. But if this is the price point you're working in, this is a nice quality piece, and I think it's going to exceed your expectations. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.